What's up guys, this is Shelly Masalto and welcome to my channel. So this is my first vlog and I am excited to share with you our experiences and learnings namin sa buhay-buhay. Ngayon, usapang pagpaplano ng wedding tayo. So, habang nasa bahay po tayo during this quarantine period, take this opportunity para mapag-isipan and mapagplanuhan ang dream wedding nyo. So una, kailangan nyong pag-usapan bilang couple kung magkano ang budget nyo and kung ano yung magiging motif at saka wedding concept nyo. So gusto nyo ba ng beach wedding, garden wedding, or church wedding? Then magkaroon kayo ng options for the wedding date. Pero sa ngayon kasi may COVID, so hindi pa natin alam kung hanggang kailan matatapos ang lockdown and maraming businesses and suppliers na sarado. So, kung pipili kayo ng wedding date, make sure na yung date na yon ay hindi kayo magagahulan sa mga preparations nyo. Maraming ideas and gimmicks para sa mga weddings. And mag-share lang ako sa inyo ng 10 ideas or experiences na natutunan namin dun sa garden wedding namin noong November 2018. We hope na maka-inspire and makatulong ito sa pagpaplano ng wedding nyo. Number 1, having a simple yet solemn ceremony. Isa sa mga best decisions na ginawa namin was to hire an on-the-day wedding coordinator. Hindi na kasi kami kumuha ng full-service wedding coordinator. At buti na lang talaga, sinunod namin yung payo ng leader namin. Yung on-the-day wedding coordinator namin was the Dream Events team. Late na namin sila nasabihan. Medyo less than 2 months before the day of the wedding. But they ensured na they will communicate with me most of the time to check the status of our preparations, help us sa paggawa ng mga wedding signages and markers, pag-contact sa mga entourage namin, pag-schedule ng meetings with us. They ensured na ready na kami sa wedding day. So on the day of the wedding, their teamwork made our dream work. Number 2, honoring your parents during the ceremony. Binigyan kami ng officiant namin ng ilang minuto para pasalamatan ang mga magulang namin. Deep appreciation mo sa parents mo in public, sobrang nakakataba ng puso na yun. So same thing sa father and daughter dance and sa mother and son dance. Minsan lang na opportunity to sa atin and remember, di na sila bumabata, kaya cherish that very moment. Number 3, dream wedding setup and delicious food. So, nangarap kami ng husband ko na magkaroon ng garden wedding na vintage setup. And natupad lahat yun through the help of our event stylist who was at the same time our caterer, tapos yung ODD coordinator namin, yung MC namin, at saka yung lights and sounds supplier. Naging sikreto namin. So, una, prayers talaga. So, every night, pinagdarasal namin na maging okay yung weather, yung ceremony, at saka yung reception program. And it all went well. Imagine, umulan the day before at the day after the wedding. So, on the day of the wedding, umaraw. It's really such a great miracle. Then, second, regular communication with the suppliers. And third, i-adjust nyo lang yung budget nyo kung meron lang kayong additional requirements for decorations. Okay. So, number 4, saying your vows from the heart. Maraming quotes sa internet na pwede mong sabihin. Pero nothing beats a message that comes from the heart. So, here's a friendly reminder. Dapat tapos na yung vow mo 2 weeks before the wedding kasi magiging very busy ka na niyan for the last minute preparations. Kasi sa sobrang kabisihan mo, baka the night before mo pa maisulat yung vow mo. And good luck naman sa beauty mo the next day. Okay, so number 5, great photos and videos. It would be a great idea to really preserve your memories through photos and videos with professional touches. Minsan lang maganap ang event na to sa buhay nyo, kaya go for hiring professional videographers and photographers. Thankful kami to Data Images and Still in Motions for ensuring to capture candid, tapos yung mga formal moments, simula pa ng pre-nuptial shoot, yung pre-wedding, actual wedding, post-wedding, and reception. So, number 6, Sing-kwento ng love story nyo. So, this is a unique way to tell your love story. Since wala kaming DJ or band, we ask our sisters, si Tal at saka si Kate, to perform a special number. Kwento nila yung love story namin doon through excerpts from love songs.
So she prayed for an answer about the confusion. And finally, God gave the answers. So let's see, I've been waiting for so long. August 15, 2017 at 9:30 p.m. Ate Shelly gave her yes to Kuya Jay, and it was Kuya Jay's answered prayer. Now that I have you, everything just seems so right. It was on February 23 when Kuya Jay asked Ate Shelly to marry him. Let me know the kind of love that will remain forever. A dream that has become reality.
Number 7, most requested songs from guests. So, playing love songs requested by family members, close friends, and guests during dinner or during unoccupied times in the reception is a meaningful gesture we can share with them. So, this just shows that their involvement in the wedding is important, and in a way, you acknowledge the songs that are meaningful for them. While you are preparing for the wedding, i-contact mo sila and then ask them for their favorite love songs or yung songs na dedicated for you as a couple. Give that to the sound system operator or the sound system supplier and have them play it during the reception. If you have a DJ or a band, ask them to play the songs that have been requested. Number 8, well-wishers cards and festive ending. Hindi lahat ng guests nyo may chance makapag-express ng wishes or messages for the couple during the reception. So, it is a good idea to provide well-wishers cards and have a collection of these keepsakes from these special people. Yung mga party poppers, it's a festive way to end the reception. You started the ceremony well, so end it with a blast. Number 9, DIY wedding invitation. Yung concept namin for a wedding invitation is the case folder. It is related dun sa work kasi namin. We research on information usually written dun sa mga wedding invitations, tapos sinama namin yun sa concept namin. And number 10, having your loved ones and close friends celebrating with you on your special day. Yung presence nila is enough. So after the wedding, keep in touch with your guests, your principal sponsors, your entourage, your relatives, your friends, and tell them how thankful you are for their presence during the wedding. So, you may send them thank you notes, or if meron kang FB page na ginawa for your wedding, go an extra mile in thanking them there. Just thank them for being part of your wedding and for being part in your journey as a couple. I have a question for you. What makes a meaningful and memorable wedding? So please drop your answers in the comment section below. For my final tips, grab a wedding checklist so you won't be missing out on very important details. Then second, don't forget to give tips to your suppliers. And lastly, pray lagi. Mapasimple o magarbong wedding man yan, your wedding will always be memorable and meaningful when you share it with the one you love. So it is my prayer that may God bless the desires of your heart and may your plans succeed. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 3:5-6, Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will direct your path. So there you go guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more video updates. Thanks for watching and congratulations in advance!